Alright, we got a Honda Odyssey, '05, I believe up to like 2015 or something. '05 to 15 or 2017 is all the same. Odyssey. Problem on this one is leaking power steering hose, or could be leaking rack, or leaking line, you know. So I've kind of like, when I brought it in, I can see the fluid leaking on the floor here, right on the frame down here. This is in the bottom of the driver's side area. So the fluid just drained rapidly. It's making a weird noise on the pump, so I'm gonna start this up and let you guys hear and see where the leaks. Alright, got the wheel crank all the way to the left so that we can see through that hole. Here we go. I got fluids on the reservoir so that we can see the leak. You can see it leaks right there. That hose. It's from that hose leaking, you can tell. I'm gonna turn off the engine now. Alright, I got the engine off so that it's not that loud when I'm talking here. So you can see the leaks coming from this rubber hose. This is on the return line going to a cooler, and then cooler going to the pump, I believe, or a cooler to the reservoir. I'm not exactly sure, but this is where it leaks. So it looks like it's pretty easy. We're gonna have to change that hose. And on these Hondas, they use on the return line, they just use hose clamp on this. Basically, it's not like crimp, you know, hose. So you know, let's find out if I can get like a bulk hose go in there instead of a molded hose. So. And then I know it's not good to run the pump when it's low in fluid, but we're gonna end up changing the pump anyways, because previously I changed the, like I think 6 months ago I changed the pressure hose on this, and I know that 6 months ago I know that I told the guy that we're gonna change the new pump anyways. So there it is. This is a new pump. And I know it's running low in fluid, make that noise, but I don't care. That pump's is bad anyways. It's pretty weak, and this is the new pump I got. This is a brand new pump. This is N-inch new. If you want to reman, just take out the N, less money. This is a brand new one. So that's it. Get you the, oh yeah, on this one it just comes with the pump. You have to swap the pulley. You have to put the pulley in here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. You just press the pulley in and then put the nut, torque it to like 45 foot-pounds or something like that. So that's another install. So we're gonna do the hose and the pump. Okay, so I think this is gonna be on a part 2 video here, and I'm gonna get the setup going.